Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. We just can unlock the device less than in 1 second, so maybe just in half of the second. This is a really good result for the face unlock. I just want to try one more thing, because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll wear them and I'll try to unlock the device with the glasses. So let's try that. So as we can see, just here is no problem to unlock the device with the glasses also, so the face recognition works also correct. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.